Hey, you should come here. Come on, 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 come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, 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 go. I'm so excited because the party. I really love the party, by the way. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Please, come. So hot. Where is she? I think she's in her grass ride. Oh, hi, what's the matter and why you're excited? I'm excited for the party. We're so excited because it's gonna be like a big radio. Let me get and show you the radio. Do you have really a radio? Yep. Okay. Well, get it right now. Okay. Well, here's the radio. Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? It's a jumbo radio. You can hear a lot of sounds. Okay. I know. It will be much more fun, right? I want it. Oh, and what song do you like? Nasty Freestyle. Okay. That's your choice. Turn off the lights, and why? It should be. It's gonna be a party, right? Oh, yeah. Better on it right now. Okay. This is a party. There's not any people here. There's an arrow there. I don't know. There's an arrow in here. Love the radio. Okay. There's something error in your radio. Let me check out and investigate. Investigate? And why we're gonna investigate those things? Those are weird. I know your secret. What? You using YouTube? Not me. But who?